Good morning, students. Welcome my channel Bhuloks Mathematics. Last class I have already discussed about the homogeneous differential equation. Let us come and start some problems related to homogeneous differential equation. Okay? So write down the question number 1. X plus y into dy plus x minus y into dx is equal to 0. Okay, dx will be divided here, this will go to this sides. So x plus y into dy is equal to minus x minus y into dx. So this will be divided there and this will be divided here. So dy by dx is equal to y minus x divided by x plus y. Okay. So first of all we have to check whether it is a homogeneous differential equation or not. Let it be f of xy. F of xy. First step, check y minus x by x plus y. Always put x is equal to tu, y is equal to tv. So f of tu, tv is equal to tv minus tu divided by tu plus tv. T is common. T taking common, v minus u divided by t common, u plus v. So this t cancel. So that can be written as t to the power 0 f of uv. So clearly it is a homogeneous differential equation. So it is a HDE, homogeneous differential equation. It is a clearly homogeneous differential equation. When it is a homogeneous differential equation, always put y is equal to vx. Write down. Always put y equal to vx, then differentiating on both sides with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to ddx of vx, v ddx of x, product formula x dv dx. Applying the product formula, u into v, u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. Derivative of x is 1. So it is v x dv dx. Now the equation 1 becomes, so in place of dy dx, we have to put v plus x dv dx. Now in place of dy dx, v plus x dv dx, equation 1. So here we get, in place of y it is vx minus x by x plus vx. Taking x common on numerator as well as on denominator, we get x taking common, v minus 1 by x 1 plus v. So x cancelled. So this v will go to that side. So x dv dx is equal to v minus 1 by v plus 1 minus v. Okay. So we get v minus 1 minus v into v plus 1. Taking LCM, we get v plus 1. Now v minus 1 minus v into v, that is minus v square. Here it is minus v by v plus 1. Okay, so this can be written as x dv dx. Here we get v minus v cancelled. V minus v, that is cancelled. This v cancelled with this v. So we get minus v square plus 1 divided by v plus 1. Now separating the variable, we get v plus 1 by v square plus 1 into dv is equal to minus dx by x. Variables separated. Write down variables separated. Variables separated. Integrating on both sides. Write down integrating on both sides. V plus 1, v square plus 1 dv is equal to minus dx by x. Okay, so this by this plus this by this, v by v square plus 1 into dv, another is dv by v square plus 1 is equal to minus ln x plus ln c. So here it is v square plus 1 and whose derivative is 2v. So now multiplying 2 and dividing 2, we get 1 by 2. Here it is 2v by v square plus 1 dv. Here it is integration formula applied, tan inverse v. Tan inverse v is equal to ln c by x, ln a minus ln b, ln a by b. So we get integration of this derivative on numerator, function is on denominator. That applying ln v square plus 1. So this formula integration we get So we get 1 by 2 ln v square plus 1. Here it is plus tan inverse v is equal to ln c by x. Now applying v is equal to y by x. 1 by 2 will go to this sides. Ln v square plus 1 to the power half plus tan inverse v is equal to ln c by x. Now in place of v, put y by x. Ln y square by x square plus 1 to the power half. Here it is tan inverse y by x is equal to ln c by x. So taking the LCM, we get ln y square plus x square by x square root over plus tan inverse y by x is equal to ln c by x. So this is the answer of this question. Okay. So this is the answer of this question. Now let us take another question. Question number 2. X dy dx plus root over of x square plus y square is equal to y. First of all, we have to bring this as a homogeneous differential equation. First of all, we have to take this as homogeneous differential equation. So we get x dy by dx is equal to y minus s square plus y square. X divided there. Dy by dx is equal to y minus s square plus y square divided by x. So you have to check. This is a homogeneous differential equation. First of all, we have to check this is a homogeneous differential equation. You have to take this is f of xy. Let f of xy as y minus root over of x square plus y square by x. Always put x is equal to tu, y is equal to tv. Then f of tu tv is equal to tv minus t square u square plus t square v square divided by tu. We get, here it is t taking common, t square common, t taking common, we get v minus u square plus v square by tu. T cancel. That is can be written as t to the power 0 f of uv. So f of tu tv is equal to t to the power 0 f of uv. So this is the homogeneous differential equation. This is a homogeneous differential equation. Always put that down. When it is a homogeneous differential equation, then always put y is equal to vx. Write down, put y is equal to vx. So dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So now the equation 1 becomes, now this equation 1 becomes, write down, the equation 1 becomes, equation 1 becomes we get in place of dy dx we have to put v plus x dv by dx is equal to y is equal to vx minus, here it is x square plus v square x square divided by x. So taking x square common from here, so x directly common, v minus, here it is 1 plus v square by x. So here x cancel. So this v will go to that side. So x dv by dx is equal to v minus 1 plus v square minus v. So this v minus v cancel. Now separating the variables. So dv by 1 plus v square is equal to minus dx by x. So variables separated. Write down, variables separated. Variables separated. Integrating on both sides, dv by 1 plus v square is equal to minus ln x minus dx by x. Okay, so this integral value will be ln v plus 1 plus v square integration of this minus ln x plus ln c. Now ln a minus ln b. Here we get ln. In place of v we have to put y by x. Here it is 1 plus y square by x square. Here it is ln c by x. So simplifying it we get l and l cancelled on both sides. Here we get y plus root over of x square plus y square divided by x. Here it is c by x. This x cancelled with this x. So the result will coming out y plus root over of x square plus y square is equal to c. So this is the answer of this question. This is the answer of this question. Okay? This is the answer of this question. Now let us take another question. Write down question number 3. Write down question number 3. dy by dx dy by dx 1 by 2 y by x plus y square by x square. First of all we have to check this is a homogeneous differential equation. Let f of xy as 1 by 2 y by x plus y square by x square. Put x is equal to tu, y is equal to tv. Always for homogeneous checking, always put x is equal to tu, y is equal to tv. So this can be written as f of tu, tv is equal to 1 by 2. Here it is tv divided by tu plus t square v square by t square u square. T cancelled, t square cancelled. That is t to the power 0 f of uv. So this is a homogeneous differential equation. Write down. This is HDE. This is a homogeneous differential equation. Now we have to find out the solution. Write down the solution. Solution. Write down the solution of the differential equation. What is the solution of differential equation? Put always, write down, put x y is equal to vx dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So now the equation becomes putting the value of dy by dx as v plus x dv dx, and in place of y we have to put vx. So the equation 1 becomes v plus x dv dx is equal to 1 by 2 Vx by x. Here it is V square x square by x square. So x cancelled with the x, s square cancelled with this x. So now this v will go to that side. X dv dx, dv by dx is equal to v by 2. Here it is v square by 2 minus v. Now taking the LCM, we get v. Here it is v square. Here it is minus 2v by 2. We get v square. V minus 2v, that is v square minus v by 2. Okay. Now separating the variable. Separating the variable, we get 2 dv by v square minus v is equal to dx by x. Variable separated. You see here, variable separated. Write down variables separated. Next, we have to integrating on both sides. Write down integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. To integration of dv by v into v minus 1 is equal to integration of dx by x. So this can be written as 2 integration of 1 by v minus 1 by v minus 1. You see here, v minus 1, v minus 1, v minus 1, here it is plus, here it is minus. See here, minus v plus 1 plus v. Here negative chinnam, minus 1 by v plus 1 by v minus 1. This is equal to this. Directly I am writing, otherwise you have to break it as a partial fractions. So we get dx by x minus v plus 1 plus v. Minus v plus v cancel. That will be 1 will be remain in numerator. So 2 integration of this minus ln v. Integration of this, here it is ln v minus 1. Here it is ln x plus ln c. Okay, ln a minus ln b, that is ln v minus 1 by v. Here it is ln xc. ln xc. 2 will be the power of this. So ln v minus 1 by v to the power 2 is equal to ln xc. So ln taking anti-logarithm, ln cancelled on both sides. Now we have to put v is equal to y by x. Y by x minus 1 by y by x whole square is equal to xc. So taking common, we get y minus x whole square by x square. Here it is x by y is equal to x into c. So x, here it is 1x cancelled. We get the result as, write down y minus x whole square is equal to x square y into c. X into y multiplied there. So the result is coming like this. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel, likes my channel, share my channels.